8 right, clear for takeoff, Southwest 5614.
Delta 503, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
8 right, line up, wait, Delta 5.
Left on November behind Southwest.
Romeo 3 cross, right. Left on November.
Delta 1370, turn 5 and visual loop, Delta 1370.
Right away.
Clear line 9 right, Delta 446.
Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, 8 right, about 2365. Papa, and then airport supply, Southwest 912.
Double 1376 to Papa Cross, runway 90 left, going Lima, 0.75.
Papa cross, left on.
FedEx turn at 24, heavy traffic, 3 miles. As you approach in, cross runway left, give way to 1717 from the left, taxi runway 8 right.
Yeah, clear to cross at 8 left at hotel, hold short at 8 right, give way to 717, FedEx 720 away.
South 2338, give way to FedEx, traffic coming.
Give way to FedEx at hotel, North Point 236.
FedEx 724 heavy, change tower frequency 15.33.
2532, FedEx 724.
Got 85 heavy, tower 11708, runway 8 left, clear land. That was 2390, exit taxiway Bravo 11, taxi 56.
Bravo 11, excellent, taxiway 696.
Up 1705, minus that one, 1807, coming on the right, middle lane.
7 on Echo Widers, coming out over Mike, clear for takeoff. Still 1198, let it turn, and that's Mike, line up and wait. For delay for intro, station traffic will be down the field.
5130, minus that one, 1809, coming on the right.
American 629, Atlanta Tower, runway 8 right, line up and wait.
Out of way 8 right, American 629.
Down south 61, turn in, park, get up.
South 51, get in. American 25, that's 3301, give way to FedEx, hotel.
Delta 1971, Romeo 3, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November behind company.
Cross 9 right, join November behind company Airbus, Delta 1971.
Delta 2684 company in November 2 is going to follow you.
Delta 2684, roger.
Delta 3514 at Papa Cross, runway 9 left, going Lima, 0.75.
At Papa Cross, 9 west, Lima, 0.75, 3514.
438, that's 2.5 out, cross runway 9 right, turn left on November. Turn left on November, hold short of Papa.
Left in order, hold short of Papa, Southwest 912.
Denver 3601, discharge traffic.
Parking the dice.
Good,
438 at Fox Cross, going out left, going Lima, 0.75.
Outside left and Papa, November 675, Delta 438.
And departure for Delta 1094.
Delta 1094, yes sir, good night, depart. Takeoff
right on that line. Southwest 86, forward Tatum on a downway, right on the way.
See right up away, southwest 56 looking.
Put it. Alright. About 23, yeah, 38, taxi 5 inches.
Jacksonville, source up 2030.
1000,
649, got it, sorry, good.
29, good day.
Oh, 17 North 8, runway 8, left, clear left.
1098 left, going to
500,
John November, hold short of pop.
Okay, cross 9 right, and here in Charlie.
400, approaching minimums. 300, minimums.
Southwest 52, 14. Just about 03 on a downway, right on the way. Here right now,
200,
November behind Southwest.
Yeah, we're going 3 cross. Right. November.
100, 50, 40, 30, retard.